I think summer's overdue. Could we just do it over? Can we just talk it out like friends? Because I need your shoulder. I know we ended on the wrong terms, but I said we're past it. So why you texting me with questions? You don't gotta ask me like, I know it's random how you been. Do you remember about this band you said you listened to?